Hi guys and gals. Excuse me again. I got this cough, it won't go away. I guess it's going to be another windy day. Today's Tuesday. Yeah, today and tomorrow. Gusts from 45 to 55 until 8 p.m. tonight on both days. So I don't know. I was just telling a friend of mine the other day, it's always breezy up here. For as long as I remember it's been breezy, but it's never like this. I've never seen wind like this, except for, if we get a good thunderstorm or something, then, the wind comes up. But so, I was going to the store the other day, not too far from here, and I had the window down. It was a little warm, and I noticed this kind of a howling sound. I can't explain it. Anyway, stuck my head out the window, and it was coming from the back end. So when I got back to camp, I looked up underneath the truck, and it looks like the gasket on the rear end's leaking. So I think that it's probably out of oil, gear oil. I'm going to have to get some very shortly. I'm not sure how long it will go like that. Maybe some of you guys can tell me. I know there's no set time. It could go anytime, So, that's one of the things that I got to deal with. What else we got to do? In the next couple of weeks, I'm going to have to make a trip down to Payson, get some groceries. That little store up there has quite a bit of stuff, but it's really expensive. It's convenient, It's more like a convenience store. What else? Temperature's been, let's see, it was 42 last night, according to the weather thingy. The thermometer in the tent said it was 38, so yeah, it's still wintertime. That's the way it is in Arizona. It's it's cold at night and hot in the day. Back and forth and back and forth. Weather's not going to stable out until about June 1st or so. Then it'll start staying, fairly warm in the daytime and fairly warm at night. So I won't need the heat. I can put that away. The neighbors, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 around me. You guys know me. I would much prefer to be out by myself somewhere, but I'm in a campground, so an official campground. So that's just the way it is. But the people are nice. The one way over there, I see him walking around every now and then, but he doesn't come around. And the man and woman right over there across the road is from Wyoming, and that's where all my family are from. So we talk just a little bit back and forth. Then there's a guy down the road there a little ways. He's in a Class C. He spends his winter in Quartzsite, so I told him I'd probably see him there maybe. Because that's just exactly where I'm going. The season opens on September 15th, but it's still pretty warm in the desert down there at that point. So I'll probably wait till around, the last part of October before I go down that way. Got an ant crawling on the camera. So far he's not on the lens. Yeah, I guess that's it. I can't think of anything else. I'll talk to you later.